All right, so based off of lesson 2, what we discussed in class, the growing dots of going by 1, 5, 9, so forth and so on, is a type of sequence that we call an arithmetic sequence. Now, when we do our notes, it's up to you how you want to write them. I tend to write them as neat and artistic so that I'd want to go back and read them. And so we're going to write down our arithmetic sequence notes on page 2 in our booklet, in our spiral notebook. So we've got arithmetic sequence as our title. And today's date is the 10th. I'm going to put that in the top right corner. Now, whenever we do notes, you don't have to write down what's up here. That's just the title of this in my document. You just need to write down anything that I write down after that. So the first thing that we need to talk about is the definition. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence created by adding the same value to each term. Adding the same value to each term. The next thing we need to talk about is the common difference. I'm going to put that in the left-hand side, in the middle. Common difference. And this is important, so I'm going to box it in, make it nice and neat. The common difference is the value added to create the sequence. And we don't use 2 letters, even though it's called common difference. The word common comes from it has to be the same each time. Difference, we use that in math to represent a certain operation. Now, we do not use C and D in order to represent the common difference. We just use a lowercase d. So our common difference is the value added to create the sequence. So in our growing dots from our lesson, and I'm going to erase this, but our dots went 1, 5, 9, 13. We were adding 4 each time, so we would put that our common difference is 4. So I'm going to erase this. I'm going to write it down a little bit neater so we can understand what we're talking about. So I'm going to scroll up. This should all be able to fit on page 2 in your booklet, in your notes. All right, so an example. EX stands for example. If I wrote the numbers down 1, 5, 9, 13 from our pattern today, again, you would write that as D is equal to 4. Notice I didn't put plus 4, I just put 4. You don't have to put addition when it already means that it's being added. Then I'm going to write down a non-example. So the opposite. A non-example would be 2, 4, 8, 16. Now, why is that a non-example? Because it's multiplying instead of adding. Another non-example would be 1, 2, 4, and 7. And I wonder why that's a non-example. Now here you add 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 3 is 7. The reason why this is a non-example is because it's not a common difference. Common means it has to be the same throughout. So we were going to put it's not a common difference. And those are our notes on arithmetic sequences. It's a sequence created by adding the same value to each term. The common difference is the number that we add each time. And we need to be able to recognize those types of sequences.